This is my van with an ORW Baja Eliminator light bar. This was from my last van build 13 years ago. These were discontinued a long time ago. So I issued a challenge to my friend Ryan to recreate them, and he did. This is Ryan's RLSS. That's his reproduction of the ORW. And this van right here, this is my buddy Stefan's van, first customer to pick up Ryan's reproduction of these light bars. There you go. And he painted it. Has a nice theme going with this van. More videos on this later. So I'll pin it in the comment section where to get a hold of Ryan if you want one of these light bars. Action van suspension. Plenty of clearance. Looking good. In my opinion, this is one of the best deals on the used market for vans. Pleasureway Traverse. More affordable than a Sportsmobile, but similar. So this one's on an action van suspension lift kit with 410 gears and a locker. Great looking van. Nice.